Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, the year 2026 brings something truly remarkable for automotive enthusiasts. And today, it's all about the Ferrari F80, a machine that is already being talked about as a new icon in Ferrari's legacy. From the moment it was announced, the F80 stirred a level of excitement that only Ferrari knows how to create. And now that it's here, we get the chance to see what makes it so special. This car isn't just about pushing boundaries, about reshaping what we think a hypercar can be. Looking at it from the front, the design language is aggressive, sharp, and incredibly aerodynamic. Ferrari's designers have clearly taken inspiration from both Formula One and Le Mans prototypes, giving the F80 a futuristic nose with razor-thin LED headlights and massive air intakes sculpted to channel airflow with maximum efficiency. The hood lines draw your eyes toward the Ferrari badge in a way that feels almost predatory, like the car is ready to pounce. It's a face that screams speed before you even hear the engine nove to the side. And the F80 looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel where every curve serves a purpose. The long, sweeping roofline blends into muscular haunches, giving it that lost-lung supercar stance that feels impossibly sleek, yet commanding. The massive side intakes not only cool the hybrid system, but also enhance the car's silhouette, making it one of the most sculpted Ferraris to date. The use of lightweight carbon fiber and Ferrari's obsession with keeping weight down is visible in every detail, from the aero fins to the subtle creases. Even the wheels are designed to cut through the air, emphasizing that nothing here is for show, it's all function. At the back, things get even more dramatic. The quad exhaust tips are positioned high, similar to Ferrari's track-only cars, giving the F80 an intimidating finish. A massive diffuser takes center stage, working in harmony with an active rear wing that adjusts in real time to provide insane levels of downforce. The taillights are ultra-slim, integrated in a way that makes the entire rear look like a piece of futuristic artwork. It's a rear design that doesn't just say Ferrari it roars, it's step inside. And the cabin immediately makes you realize Ferrari isn't just aiming for performance, but also for an emotional connection between driver and machine. The steering wheel is straight out of Formula One. It's complete with integrated controls so the driver never has to take their hands off. The dashboard is minimalist but futuristic, with a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized depending on whether you're on the street or track. Ferrari has stripped away distractions, keeping the cabin driver focused. But the use of premium leathers, Alcantara, and carbon fiber reminds you this is still a luxury hypercar. The seating position is low and cocoon-like, making the driver feel as though they're strapped into a fighter jet. Even though it's uncompromising in its performance DNA, Ferrari hasn't forgotten small luxuries like climate control, advanced infotainment, and a sound system, though let's be honest, the engine is the soundtrack here. Speaking of the engine, performance is where the F80 truly shines. Ferrari has combined a twin-turbo V8 with hybrid electric motors, lifting power figures to an astonishing 1,200 horsepower. With this setup, the car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it not only one of the fastest Ferraris ever built, but also a serious contender against anything in the hypercar world. Top speed hovers around 310 miles per hour, which is mind-blowing, even in today's standards. But it's not just straight-line speed. Ferrari has engineered the F80 with advanced aerodynamics, active suspension systems, and torque vectoring to ensure it handles corners with the precision of a track car. Every bit of technology in this car is focused on keeping it glued to the road, whether you're racing on a circuit or cruising on an open highway now. As you'd expect, the price tag of the Ferrari F80 matches its exclusivity, reports suggest. It starts at around $3 million, and that's before any customization options that Ferrari offers its elite clients. This isn't a car you'll just walk into a dealership to buy. It's a hypercar reserved for those with both wealth and loyalty to the Ferrari brand. For those considering this masterpiece, the F80 isn't about practicality, it's about owning. A piece of the future, a machine that pushes boundaries in design, technology, and performance. If you're looking for a daily driver, this isn't it. But if you want to experience one of the most advanced road cars Ferrari has ever made, then this is the ultimate collector's piece. My suggestion is simple. If you have the means and the opportunity, there will never be a better time to invest in a hypercar that defines an era in the end. The Ferrari F80 is not just a carrosse, a statement, a glimpse into the future of performance automobiles, and a celebration of everything Ferrari stands for. From its radical design to its staggering power, it represents the pinnacle of what happens when passion meets engineering. Whether you ever get the chance to drive one or simply admire it from afar, the F80 is proof that Ferrari still knows how to take our breath away.